our mission here in the team, our mission here is to elevate people's life. And you know, Sarah, in the Bible it says that with no vision, the people perish. So let's think about that. Who are the people?
All right, who is our people?
So here in our team, there are 4 group of people that we are serving. Right? The first one is our clients. The second group of people that we want to elevate their lives is our team members. The third group is our partners, our vendor partners. And then the fourth group of people that we want to elevate the lives to is the community in general. That's one of the reasons why we are partnering up with the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles. We also partner up with the San Gabriel Chamber of Commerce to improve the economy in the entire San Gabriel Valley through one of our partnership program with them, online presence. So let's go back to that one. What's the vision for our clients?
Well, clients first, right?
Yeah, clients first. So here in our team, we pride ourselves with as far as our daily training, negotiation, how we separate ourselves from our competitors is that we are very intentional about serving our clients. For example, on the buyer side, we are very intentional. If you're thinking of buying a home, when you work with our team, every day, Sarah, every day, we will give you access to homes that you cannot see online, homes that match your criteria that you yourself cannot see online. Guess where do you think the real estate agent is going to give you access to homes?
They're going to only give you access to home that they see on MLS, right?
Correct. Most 99.9999%. This is how industry standard is. What we are here doing, we are challenging the industry norms and standard. Just because millions of real estate agents doing it that way, that doesn't make it right. Most real estate agents, what they do, they go to the MLS, they look at the active on the MLS and they email it to you. The problem with doing that old style is with technology. That has no value in the transaction. So we don't think that is the right thing to do. So that's why we are on a mission to change, to elevate. When we are talking about to elevate means to change, to increase. To elevate means to put you in a better position. So we want to, yes, one of the people that we want to elevate is the clients. Because when you are thinking of buying or selling a home, you will get a different experience than if you're working with our competitors. Most real estate agents said there is a shortage of inventory. Well, I disagree. When people say there's a shortage of inventory, you're only referring to there's not too many homes that's active for sale on the MLS. So let's go back to our mission. Our mission is to elevate people's life. Here in our team, we want to empower you. We want you to be the best you can be professionally. But at the same time, as important as professional development, we want to focus also on growing you personally. That's why, effective today, June 2018, we'd like to make an announcement to the rest of our team. We actually hired a full-time, in-house, on retainer leadership and life coach. And the purpose of our leadership and life coach is to help each individual person. Everybody in our team have full access to a leadership and life coach. The reason we are doing that is because we care about you as a person, as an individual, because whatever happened to you at home, guess what happened?
It brings it to work, right?
Brings to work, and vice versa. Everybody in our team who wants to take, whenever you want to take any of personal growth development classes, as you know, the team always support you 100%. In addition to that, we are providing you with our leadership and life coach that's available to everybody. So in the community, as you know, last year, 2017, our team was named as the #1 as far as the fundraising towards the Children's Hospital in Los Angeles, which means, Sarah, we never ask money from our clients. Each individual person in our team, actually out of their own generosity, they take a portion of our income towards that mission. What's the legacy? The legacy is the people that we touch while we are here. The next group of people that we are very intentional about serving is our partners, our vendors partners. When the people with these vendors partners do business with our team, they too, their life has to be improved. They should be in a better place. That's why every 3 months in our team, we have our Titanium Conference. We just passed one. We focus on personal growth and developments, and that is available for all of our vendors, partners, and their family. We want to build a strong relationship. There's 3 types of relationship. The relationship we want to build is not this. For sure it's not this. This means there is no relationship, right? This looks like there is a relationship, but those are very superficial. It's on the surface. It looks good on Facebook, but whether it's easily pulled apart, we don't know until it's tested in the marketplace. Because we want to build relationship that looks like this. Try to pull this apart with all your might. Try it, Sarah. Try your best, Sarah. Pull it.
I can't do this.
Try it.
Oh, it's too hard.
Why is that?
Because you have a strong bond.
Right? And this, Sarah, this is not just what looks fun on the surface. This relationship is not just, oh, it looks like we are having fun, whatever, because that could be this on the surface. But this is we are talking about building a real relationship. And how do we do this? Is through building our values, our core values. We are looking for people that's in alignment with the same values. We wanna bring people with the same values like us, and we wanna repel the people that's not the same. That's our core values, which we'll talk about on the next video. We'll go deep into our core values, serving the clients.
We're serving the team members.
Yes.
And we're serving our partners, and then we serve our community.
Yeah. So today, this conversation, we want to touch about that. And next week, we're gonna go in depth about our core values, who we are, and stuff like that. If you have any question about our team, or simply want to do a backstage tour about our team, call Sarah, call me. Any one of us can help you with that. All you need to do, call 626-789-0159.
Are you thinking of selling your home? This is John Cobelt with important facts for home sellers. Why waste time with an ordinary agent? Call my friend and agent, Rudy Kasuma. Rudy may already have a buyer for your home. Rudy has thousands of qualified buyers in his exclusive Buyers in Waiting program. The fact is, Rudy Kasuma has more buyers, which means more money and a faster sale for you. Call the only one I would trust to sell my home. Call Rudy now at 855-RUDY-SELLS, 855-RUDY-SELLS, or RudyHasTheBuyers.com, RudyHasTheBuyers.com.